Hi guys, today we are going to change sounds in words to make new words. So, our first word we're going to start with is dog. Dog. What happens when we change the ah in dog to a? Our new word is Doug. Doug. What if we change that in Doug to I? Now we have the word dig. Dig. Let's start with the word lit. Lit. What if we change the I in lit to eh? We get let. Let. Now change that eh in let to ah. Our new word is lot. Lot. Okay, we're going to start with net. Let's change the eh in net to ah. Not. Not is our new word. If we change the ah in not to we get nut. Nut. Okay. If we start with the word hum, and we add where the is, what's our new word? Ham. What if we change the in ham to eh? Now we get hem. Okay, this is our last one for today. We have the word tap. Let's change the in tap to I. Our new word is tip. If we change the I in tip to ah, what new word do we get? Top. Okay, I hope you're having fun. See you next time.